So in this RBC Direct Investing tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to limit buy a stock here on RBC Direct Investing. So once the RBC Direct Investing app is opened up, I want you to go to the bottom, press on the yellow circle, and then press on place order. Once you're here at the top, I want you to go ahead and select a stock if you're choosing. For this demonstration, I'll just stick with RBC for the theme of this video, and I'll press on my stock right here. Once the stock is selected, I want you to select the accounts that you want to buy the stock in. So go ahead and do that right now. Once the stock is selected, where it says action, I want you to go ahead and make sure that you select buy because you, of course, are buying a stock. Once that is done, under order type right here, it currently says market. Go ahead and press the arrow at the bottom, then press on limit. Once limit is selected right now, where it says limit price, you can go ahead and search up a price. So you can basically go ahead and see the current share price, in this case, $224.72. For example, if your limit to buy this is 225, you can go ahead and type that in, then go to the bottom, type in the quantity, and you can proceed with the transaction that way. So very simple, very straightforward, but that is how to limit buy a stock here on RBC Direct Investing. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.